I have always loved going to the dentist. I don't know why, but I've always loved it, and I also love kids. My name is Zaria. I'm from Greenville, Mississippi. I attend Riverside High School, and I will be attending Mississippi State University in the fall. I decided I wanted to be a pediatric dentist at a very early age. I was probably 7. I first met Tori at a workshop that Get2College held here at the school, and my mom also attended that same workshop. It was beneficial for the both of us because we learned basically the steps to take us through this year, which has been very helpful. We learned different things from financial aid to the different grants and outside scholarships, and we also learned how to basically get through college without taking out loans. My scholarship binder came about when I attended a ACT workshop in Greenville, and a guy told me that when you start applying for scholarships that it will be about keeping up with resumes and transcripts and the applications itself. So I figured, I know I'm gonna need a binder. As soon as the scholarships came coming in, the local scholarships, I stuck everything in it. It basically helped me to keep up with my deadlines, and it helped me to stay organized and to ensure that every scholarship application was completed and that I got them in on time. The admission process to Mississippi State went pretty smooth thanks to Tori at Get2College mostly. She talked me through everything. They told us the steps to take in order to get admitted. I actually applied to Mississippi State the night the application opened. I was ready. Tori encouraged me to get to know my recruiter, and he pretty much talked me through it, and we kept in touch, and now I have been admitted to Mississippi State. The environment itself at Mississippi State solidified Mississippi State for me. I visited the campus more than one time, and each time it was very fun, and I just love the atmosphere on campus. Also, they have the exact major that I wanted to major in, which is biochemistry with a pre-dental concentration. I'm very excited to be attending Mississippi State. I plan to be very involved on campus. I want to be a part of Young Life, Day One, as well as a Women Empowerment Association. To any student that's going to college who are as lost as I was and during my sophomore year probably, I would definitely tell them to contact Tori and or Danny. The resources that they have provided us with have been highly beneficial, and it has definitely helped me throughout this entire process.